Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. In this video I have a 2020 MG3. I'm going to be showing you where the OBD II diagnostic port and the two fuse boxes are in the car. So first off, come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle. Open up the door fully. We're just going to come down into the footwell. Now your OBD II port is actually just up here next to your fuel release lever. So it's just up there. Might not be able to see it on the camera. For the fuse boxes, we'll start off with the cabin fuse box, which is found over the passenger side of the vehicle, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully again. Just down inside the passenger's footwell, you should be able to see the exposed cabin fuse box. I will now put up a fuse diagram for these. Now for the last fuse box, we're just going to pull this lever here to get under the bonnet. And this is your engine bay fuse box. Just above the MG badge there's a lever. Push that to the right, like so. And then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, go over to the right hand side of the engine bay and you've got your battery there. There's actually no main fuse in there, but all our fuses are down here. So give that lever a pull, take the lid off, and that shows you all the fuses there. And then of course your fuses and relays down here. But I'll now put up a computerized diagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.